Hello, my name is Willard, and we're here today looking at the 250 Intrigue built by Premier Marine. Okay, we're up in the bow, and what we're going to look here is a large amount of seating we have here. This has got a filler seat here that makes this into U-shaped seating, which gives you the capability to put 5-6 people up here comfortably. Here we have the helm, and of course we have our Simrad GPS system that operates all your electrical, all your motor properties, and gives you all your functions of your motor. Also, we have a phone charger here that keeps your phone charged, and we also have a tilt wheel which has all your controls here located on the center of the steering wheel. Okay, so what we have back here is our U-shaped seating that's set up for 5 or 6 people comfortably. But I could take this seat here and push this foot pedal, and all of a sudden we have this seating facing the water. And we also have the capabilities to go overboard with the ladder. It makes it really fun to get in and out of the water. This seat will also turn towards the back of the boat and gives you the capabilities to watch your people that are on tubes or on wakeboards. And then also this boat is powered up with a 300 horsepower Mercury motor, which is going to give it performance that you need on this size boat. This is Van with MarineMax in Lewisville. Give me a call at 972-835-8788. We have this boat and many more to offer. Thank you.